Hello friends, I have come up with another video of the unboxing of the all new OnePlus 5. So here we can see dual camera clear photos, and here also dual camera clear photos. So if we go to the back, the OnePlus 5 A5000, the midnight black color, 128 GB, SAR value 1.240, and it cost about 37,999. The box consists of one mobile, USB cable, charger, quick start guide, safety information, one SIM tray ejector. So now let's unbox the phone. Yo, here is the OnePlus 5. Take the OnePlus 5 out. Let's keep it aside. Here is a click taken by the OnePlus 5. It seems very good. So here is a charger, dash charger. It's a huge one, fast charger. Here is the USB cable. The red and white color is a superb combination. Now let's come back to the phone. So here's the phone. The phone is, wow, what a look is this. This inside there is something. Yeah, here is some documents, the SIM ejector tool, safety information guide, etc. So let's keep it back, close the flap and keep it aside. So now let's come back to the phone. The phone is of premium quality, black one, stylish look, a huge display, so fingerprint is front mounted, a good camera. In back we could see dual camera. The front camera is about 20 megapixel and the back camera is about 16 and a 20 megapixel camera. Here's in the side we have the power button, the slim slot tray, and in this side we could see the volume rockers, and in the back the dual camera with an LED flash. In the middle we could see the OnePlus 5 vlogging. So the phone is really good one, and it is a temper that has been given by the company to me. It's a 40 tempered glass. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel and put up likes and click on the notification panel to get notified about when I put good videos.